In this tutorial video, I shall explain some topics from the chapter Presentation of Data in Tabular Form. So watch the complete video. So let us see the very first topic of this chapter, that is statistics. It is the branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. And the next topic is data. In mathematics, data means information or set of given facts in numerical figures. Now, the next topic is types of data. The very first type of data is termed as primary data. The data collected by investigator himself with a definite plan in mind are known as primary data. It means that when the investigator collects the data with himself, then that type of data is termed as primary data. But on the other hand, the second type of data is secondary data. The data collected by someone other than the investigator are known as secondary data. It means the data which is collected by other person, not the investigator, then that type of data is termed as secondary data. Now we will see some terminologies which is associated with this chapter. The very first topic is raw or ungrouped data. The data obtained in original form are called raw data or ungrouped data. Suppose we are doing a survey in a class to find out the blood group of each student. Then we can find out the blood group of the student like this. Suppose the blood group of the very first student is A, the blood group of second student may be B, the blood group of next candidate may be O, the blood group of next candidate may be A, the blood group of next candidate may be AB, and so on. All these data collected is termed as raw data, or we can say ungrouped data. Now the next topic is grouped data. When we condense data into classes or groups, then such type of presentation of data is termed as grouped data. It means after collecting the original data, if we are converting them into the class or group, then that type of data is termed as grouped data. Next topic is array. An arrangement of raw numerical data in ascending or descending order is called an array. It means that after collecting the original form of data, if we are converting these data either in ascending order or in descending order, then this type of data will be termed as array. Next topic is presentation of data. The way of putting the data in the form of tables in condensed form is known as presentation of data. It means that after collecting the original form of data, if we are converting these data into the tabular form, then this is termed as presentation of data. Next topic is frequency of an observation. The number of times an observation occurs is called its frequency. Suppose we are collecting the data like 2, 5, 1, again 2, then 3, then 1, then 7 and so on. So here we can notice that 2 occurs 2 times. So the frequency of 2 will be equals to 2. Here 5 occurs 1 time. So the frequency of 5 is 1. 1 occurs 2 times. So the frequency of 1 will be 2. 7 occurs one time, so the frequency of 7 will be 1, and so on. Now the next topic is types of frequency distribution. There are two types of frequency distribution. The very first type is exclusive form or continuous form. A frequency distribution in which each upper limit of class is excluded and lower limit is included is called an exclusive form. Suppose I am taking the example of a class interval 0 to 10. Next one is 10 to 20. Next one is 20 to 30, and so on. So here, according to this definition, a frequency distribution in which each upper limit of each class is excluded means here we are having the range from 0 to 10, but here this is the lower limit of the class, 0 is the lower limit of the class, while 10 is the upper limit of the class. So here, according to the definition, each upper limit of each class is excluded. Means here 10 will be excluded. Means if suppose we are having the data, then we have to consider from 0 to 9. 10 is not excluded in this class. 10 will be included in the next class. So in the next class we are having 10 to 20. So 20 is excluded here, means we have to find out the data from 10 to 19. In the next class we are having the range from 20 to 30. Again here 30 will be excluded. So the data between 20 to 29 will be considered in this range. After that, the next type of the frequency distribution is inclusive form or discontinuous form. A frequency distribution in which each upper limit as well as lower limit is included is called an inclusive form. Let us consider an example. Suppose I am taking the range from 0 to 9. Next one is 10 to 19. Next one is 20 to 29, and so on. Now let us see the definition of inclusive form. A frequency distribution in which each upper limit as well as lower limit is included. Means here we will consider the value from 0 to 9. Means 0 as well as 9 both will be included. So we will consider the data from 0 to 9. In the next range, we will consider the data from 10 to 19. In the next range, we will consider the data from 20 to 29. Now, the next topic is variate or variable. Any character which is capable of taking several different values is called a variable. Suppose I am taking the example of a equals to 7. So here a will be treated as variables because we can store 7 inside the variable a. Similarly, if suppose I have taken x is equals to 10, so here x is taken as variable while 10 is taken as constant. Here x is the variate or variable which is holding the value 10. Now the next topic is class interval. Each group into which the raw data is condensed is called a class interval. Next topic is class size. The difference between the upper limit and lower limit is called class size. Suppose we are having a class interval 10 to 25. So here the size of class will be equals to the difference between upper limit and lower limit, means 25 minus 10. that will be equals to 15. So 15 is the size of the class. Now the next topic is class mark of a class. The class mark of a class is equals to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Means we have to add both lower limit as well as upper limit. After that we have to divide it by 2. Thank you for watching this video.